Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Robinhood for alternative investment basics, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Robinhood website or downloading the app from your device's app store. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. Provide your email address and create a secure password for your account. Ensure your password meets the requirements for security. Next, enter your phone number to receive a verification code. Check your SMS for the verification code and input it into the app or website. You will be prompted to provide your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure to enter accurate information to comply with regulatory requirements. Once you input your personal details, indicate your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Read through and agree to Robinhood's terms and conditions before proceeding. You may be asked to answer some financial questions to assess your investment knowledge. Provide information regarding your employment status and annual income. Specify your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Upload a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, for identity verification. After submitting your information, wait for Robinhood to review and approve your application. This process may take a few moments to complete. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email welcoming you to Robinhood. Log into your account using your email and password. You can now explore the app and familiarize yourself with its features. Make sure to link a bank account for funding your investments. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account to your Robinhood profile. You are now ready to start your journey into alternative investments. Take your time to understand the different investment options available. Utilize Robinhood's educational resources to expand your knowledge. Engage with the platform and begin making your first investments. Happy investing! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.